So we're in Viva now in Soy 8, and as you see, it's raining. I think I'm gonna make a nice video about raining season here in Bangkok. I have this video that I made before in the margarita storm, and now this one in the evening in Soy 8. As I mentioned in previous videos, it's raining season now, and it's actually going up at the moment. So I thought it would be a nice idea to just have a little film. I'm at Margarita Storm. I think it's an appropriate name for this one. Yeah, so it's raining and it's also quite a bit of thunder. Yeah, as you can hear already, it's really going off now. Whoa! This one was right above here. So it's about 3 o'clock now on a Wednesday. That was a scary one. I'm happy I got in here on time. And I'm happy I'm not out on the bike. So normally when this kind of rain happens, it means like very soon all the traffic is gonna get stuck and gonna get gridlocked. The reason is because normally people might walk, but now everybody wants to take a taxi. And everybody's gonna jump in the car to go wherever they need to go. So probably give it another 5 minutes and it's gonna be stuck here. So I'm just sitting here with my Coke Zero, but it's really raining that hard and the wind is blowing. So I just have to step back a little bit. But this is Bangkok, this is Thailand. When you have raining season, you have these kind of torrential storms or torrential rains. And probably in half an hour it's all over. And it's done. 4 people on the motorcycle. You don't want to be out on this one. Yeah, so as you can see on the street now, it's getting a little bit too much, the water. So the piping system cannot handle it. In this street they redid everything a couple of years ago, so once the rain stops it will empty really quickly. But it's just too much rain, too much water coming through. But this is a typical rainfall during the rainy season in Bangkok. And it's probably gonna last about an hour and then it's finished. And in 1 or 2 hours everything will be okay. By the way, there's a new bar in Soy 8. It's called 8 Bar. There used to be some massage places over there. What? Yeah, good idea. Yeah, so as you can see, it's really pouring now. This is the best time to sell umbrella. เท่าไรนะครับ
umbrella
เท่าไรนะครับ
500 บาท
100 โอเคหนึ่ง 1 second completely soaked my shoes. Okay, watch out, the car's coming. Okay, we're just gonna try and go up the sky bridge here. Yeah, so yesterday I made a walkthrough from Soinana to Asok. So this is the same walk but now with the rain. So welcome to the sky bridge from Nana to Asok, part 2. I don't have my gimbal with me, so the picture is going to be a lot less stable. So it's good to see the difference. But it's just amazing how it's raining at the moment. It's just pouring crazy. Wow. Yeah, so this is the beginning of Soi 8. We just had dinner in a place there called Viva. And in a little bit further in the street you have a restaurant called Monsoon, which is a part of a hotel, and that one is closed. And Via Vai is a pizza place which is closed as well at the moment. Wow. I remember saying a couple of weeks ago that the monsoon this year was not that heavy, but it's pouring. Look what I found here. I think I mentioned yesterday that the skywalk is nice to walk and use when it's raining. Well, I guess this is the point that I wanted to make. The only problem is that you cannot stay and live in the skywalk. So we need to get off at some point. Which that point has just arrived. You can hear it's getting a little bit less, right? Arno. Who know? Arno. Okay. Are you prepared to go the last part through the rain?
Are you?
Not really. Oh. Let's give it a shot. Well, we're gonna get wet anyway. So we're walking through the Soy 13 river. The what? Yeah, we should get a canoe and get home. Did we close all the windows? That's always the thing in the rainy season here in Bangkok. You can have really nice weather during the day, and then you can have a pouring like this. And that's always the moment that you're asking yourself, did we close the windows? It happens sometimes that people leave the windows open and that the whole apartment gets flooded. So yeah, so here we are at the Hyatt Regency. My shoes are completely soaked. Oh. Yeah. Tonight we don't have to shower at home. We're saving money on water. Yeah, we're the only ones that dare to get on the street now. You can walk through Trendy, no?
No, this is not the
No? Okay. And you'll see it will stop when we get home. Cab. So the German beer house is full. I think my camera lens is a little bit foggy now because of the rain.